Good morning. This is your uncle, and today we are going to discuss about judicial proceeding. As a law student, I want to explain what is the real judicial proceeding meaning. The term judicial proceeding is defined in section number 2I of CRPC 1973. A judicial proceeding is defined to include any proceeding in the course of which evidence is or may be legally taken on oath. Thus, the power to take evidence on oath is the characteristic test of judicial proceeding. इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि न्यायिक कार्यवाही वह है जिसमें शपथ पर साक्ष्य लिया जा सके. इट इंक्लूड्स इंक्वायरी एंड ट्रायल बट नॉट इन्वेस्टिगेशन. इसमें विचारण या पूछताछ की कार्यवाही आएगी लेकिन अन्वेषण की कार्यवाही नहीं आएगी. सेक्शन 202 सेज न्यायालय के पास ये पावर है कि वह जांच और अन्वेषण में से किसी एक का ट्रायल कर सके. इट मीन्स इंक्वायरी प्लस इन्वेस्टिगेशन. द पार्ट ऑफ जेपी मीन्स जुडिशियल प्रोसीडिंग. सामान्यतः इन्वेस्टिगेशन को जुडिशियल प्रोसीडिंग का पार्ट हम नहीं मानते हैं. एन इंक्वायरी इन विच एविडेंस इज लीगली टेकन इज इंक्लूडेड इन दिस टर्म. An inquiry is judicial if its object is to determine the inquiry relations between one person and another person or a group of person or between him and the community in general. Therefore, even a judge acting without such an object in view is not acting judicially. An inquiry in which no discretion is to be used and no judgment to be formed, but something is to be done as a matter of duty is not a judicial but an administrative inquiry. प्रशासनिक या विभागीय जांच हम कह सकते हैं इसको. Thus, proceeding before a collector under the Land Acquisition Act are not judicial proceeding. The following have been held to be judicial proceeding: maintenance proceeding under Chapter 10 of the Code, an inquiry under the Legal Practices Act 1979, an inquiry by a magistrate before issuing an order under section 114 of the code proceeding an execution of a court decree. So my viewers, I hope I am very clear about the judicial process that I want to share with you. In the other hand, the following activity is also not the part of our judicial process. An examination by the police officer under the section number 161 of the code, an order of the government sanctioning a prosecution under the 196 and 197 sections, a departmental inquiry by the district registrar into a complaint, and the inquiry made by the chief judicial magistrate on the receipt of information. So this is the my overview. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.